Welcome to my channel Road Beast Car. Today we are talking about one of the most anticipated budget hatchbacks of the year, the Suzuki Alto 2026 Alto VRX. If you're looking for a small, fuel-efficient, and affordable city car, then this video is definitely for you. We'll cover the design, interior, engine performance, fuel economy, features, expected price, and whether this car is actually worth buying or not. So make sure you watch till the end. Let's begin. The 2026 Alto VRX comes with a refreshed and more modern design compared to the previous model. Suzuki has made several small upgrades that make the car look cleaner and more stylish. At the front, you'll notice a redesigned grille along with sharper headlights that give the car a more premium appearance. The updated bumper design also adds a slightly sporty touch to the front look. From the side, the Alto still keeps its compact and practical shape, but the new alloy wheel design makes it look more modern than before. At the rear, Suzuki has added updated taillights and a cleaner bumper layout, which gives the car a fresh overall appearance. Even though it's a small hatchback, the new Alto VRX looks smart, stylish, and perfect for city driving. Now let's move to the interior. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Alto VRX feels more refined and user-friendly. The dashboard design is cleaner, and the quality of materials appears improved compared to older models. The seats are comfortable for daily driving, and there's decent cabin space considering the size of the vehicle. One of the major highlights of the VRX variant is the upgraded infotainment system. You now get a touchscreen display with Bluetooth connectivity, USB support, and smartphone integration. The steering wheel has also been updated, and higher variants may even include steering-mounted controls for added convenience. The air conditioning system is expected to perform better, especially during hot weather. Features like power windows, central locking, and improved seat fabric make the Alto feel more premium than before. For a budget-friendly hatchback, the feature list is actually quite impressive. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Alto VRX is expected to continue with the reliable 660cc engine, but Suzuki may improve the tuning for smoother driving and better fuel efficiency. Since the car is lightweight, the engine performs well in city traffic and daily commuting situations. The pickup feels decent for urban driving, and the automatic transmission option makes driving in traffic much easier and more comfortable. However, the biggest strength of the Alto has always been fuel economy, and the new model continues that reputation. The expected fuel average is around 20 to 24 kilometers per liter, depending on driving style and road conditions. With fuel prices increasing every year, a car like the Alto becomes a very practical choice for daily users. Whether you're a student, office worker, or someone looking for an economical family car, the Alto can help save a lot of money on fuel costs. Now let's talk about safety features. The new Alto VRX is expected to offer dual airbags, ABS brakes, seatbelt reminders, and parking sensors in higher variants. Suzuki has been slowly improving safety features in its newer cars, and these additions are definitely important for modern buyers. Another reason behind the popularity of the Alto is its low maintenance cost. Spare parts are easily available, mechanics are familiar with the car, and service costs are affordable compared to many other vehicles in the market. As for the price, the 2026 Alto VRX is expected to be slightly more expensive than previous models due to upgraded features and current market conditions. However, it will still remain one of the most affordable hatchbacks available. For people looking for a reliable, economical, and easy-to-maintain car, this could be a great option. So, is the 2026 Alto VRX worth buying? If you want a practical, fuel-efficient, compact, and budget-friendly car for everyday use, then the answer is yes. It may not be a luxury vehicle, but for city driving and daily commuting, it offers excellent value for money. So that's it for today's video. What do you think about the new 2026 Alto VRX? Do you like the upgrades, or were you expecting more features? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more car reviews and automotive updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.